Hello everyone and welcome to the Finland Academy and Embedded Software. So in the series of week gone by, we will look at the how week was and what are the key sectors that has performed and what are the key levels for the coming week. So in this week, the index has started to improve on the high side. It continued to move on the high side. Earlier part of the week was kind of the sidewaysness, but in a later part of the week, it has started to pick up its momentum. And on many of the occasions, we have kept on witnessing that means index is finding a certain kind of the momentum from its lower level. So it was completely outright by the buyers. The sellers were making attempts, but that was in futile attempts as the buyers was taking a charge from the lower levels. From a sector perspective, in this week the IT and the metal sectors has did quite well, and the reality sector is also into the momentum. Looking forward to the coming week, so in this week index has improved by more than 2%. It has moved above a certain kind of the immediate extensions that we were doing earlier, which was around the 14,000 to 14,200 level. Index has continued to move on the high side. So as of now we are at an all-time high level. So we take the extension of immediate rise, so which is what coming from this level. So this is what the base point, or from where we have seen the immediate rise into the momentum. It went up to this point and prices have started to dip this level, and again we have seen the recovery. So it has already surpassed the 100 in level. The next best level is around 14,500 level. So this is all the Fibonacci extension level. But at this point, uh, in a positive structure, the regions doesn't play that much important role. They are subject to the more on the violation side. But we need to put an attention on the key immediate support levels, how the prices are paying attention or playing out around the support levels. So for that purpose, we are looking at a lower time frame, let's say the 60-minute time frame that we are looking in. So for a very short term perspective, let's say the trade for a 1 or 2 days perspective, we can say that this is what the immediate support level that we are having, means that is a 14,250 level around, which is a rule reversal level in a very short term time frame, we can say, because prices has kept on reaching for 2 days, and finally we have seen the breakout on the last day of the week, and it is sustained over there. Weakness below this level, it may give a kind of the weakness on the shorter term time frame, but the broader structures remains a positive as far as the market is sustaining above near about 14,000 level, because 14,000 level is the one where the multiple number of the attempts has happened, the reversal momentum has happened, and index has spent a good time around this level. So 14,000 level to, let's say, this particular range, uh, 14,000 to 13,800 level, so things are fine for a short term perspective. But if we see a weakness once the prices are moving below the 14,000 level from a little bit more than the short term perspective. So in a nutshell, the view remains a positive. Basically it is in a market of the specific stocks, IT stocks and metal stocks remain in the momentum. Some of the domestic appliance stocks are into the momentum right now. Broader market, it will remain into the positive momentum. The higher side is like 14,500 around, but the important point is that how the prices are playing out at a support level. For a very short term perspective, 14,200 is the level, and little bit from the in between the small to mid term perspective, the 14,000 level is a key important. So as far as the market is above the 49,000 level, things are fine. We can see the initial sign of the reactions when it starts to move below 14,000. Whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the education purpose only. Thank you so much.